Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can turn on story notifications on Emo. So let's get started. Firstly, open Emo app in a device, then tap on profile icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, you can see the option of notifications. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of story. Turn on it by tapping on it. So this is how you can turn on story notifications on Emo. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.